So we have here the King of Swords energy. It looks like meron ditong desisyon na pinangkakapitan, pinanghahawakan, no? So parang klase ng desisyon na final na, gagawin ko na lang ito, hindi na ako magpapatibag, hindi ito masisira, talagang ito na yung desisyon ko. And look at that. Followed by the King of Swords is the Knight of Swords. So it looks like this is some type of an action right here na pinipiling gawin, pinipiling ipagpatuloy, no? So nakikita ko na parang someone here could be definitely making a plan, making a decision, no? At parang anytime soon, i-execute or i-implement or gagawin niya na ito, no? So, with the Page of Pentacles energy, there's some kind of seriousness into this person's energy. And, kung sino man itong energy na to, no, with this Devil energy, this person here is obsessed in thinking about this plan, is thinking about this, obsessed in thinking about how to implement it, no, and to achieve a positive result or outcome, no? Dito sa kanyang pinaplanong i-execute or gawin. So, it could be you or it could be the person here that you're dealing with. But let's see, no? Let's see. Okay? So, happy Saturday, everyone! Kamusta naman kayo, guys? No? So, nakatulog ba kayo kagabi matapos nating i-reading yung makaka-get over na sana siya sa inyo? Yeah, last night, no? So if you're interested na in watching that reading, you can check that out, no? Kahagabi lang yun in-upload. Yan. Okay. Okay. So, let us. Okay, you've got a lot of major arcanas right here with the Judgment card energy, Star card, Lovers card energy. Okay. Okay, so kung ano man ito parang maiiyak ka rito pero sa tuwa. Okay? Tears of joy ito, no? Pero meron ditong parang klase ng energy na parang, thank you, Lord. Yan, no? Parang maraming maraming salamat po, Panginoon, no? Parang ito yung klase ng opportunity na parang you thought or parang inakala mo hindi na darating or hindi na mangyayari sa'yo or sa buhay mo. So we have here the Four of Cups in reverse position. Yes, hindi na nakakapagtaka. Bottom of the deck, we have here the Six of Swords energy. Wheel of Fortune, yes, very evident. Another major arcana in the Ace of Coins energy. So, hey there mga May Loves Collective and welcome new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Tuloy po kayo dito at sa mga returning kong tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang support and love for me. So, kung hindi niyo pa mga mahal, mayroon pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado kayong tumambay dyan and you haven't tried na makatambay dyan, then pwedeng-pwede niyo pong i-click yung link na yan at nare-redirect na po kayo dun sa ating other channel, no, na ang name ay Dalnim. So, doon ay may ina-upload tayo na collective readings. When we say collective readings, no matter what your zodiac sign is, pwedeng-pwede po kayong makinig. Basta just take only what resonates. Okay, so araw-araw ay may ina-upload din tayo there. So, yun nga, wala tayong gender. Tandaan nyo yan, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch or magka-swap-swap yung roles dahil isa itong general reading. And at the end of the day, everybody, you have your free will with you na free nyong gamitin or malaya ninyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So to speak, hindi po ako fan ng mga energies na bumabalik sa kanilang mga exes. But, it is your energy here if this is you, you want na gusto mong bumalik ang iyong ex sa buhay mo. So, this is a wish fulfillment right here. This is you with the Six of Swords energy, you thought na parang dumating at sumagi na rin sa isipan mo rito na parang wala ng chance, wala ng pag-asa, no? So, nakikita ko dito that if it is not you, pwede rin kasing swappable, flippable ang ating energy. So, pwedeng ito naman yung ex mo, no? Ito yung energy niya towards you guys, no? So, pwede ninyong pagpalit-palitin yung roles. But here, with the Judgment card energy, Star card, and very evident ang ating Nine of Cups, no? Lumalabas dito na isa itong katuparan ng isang malaking wish at ginagrant ito ni universe, no, na muling ibalik sa buhay mo itong tao na ito. So nakita ko dito that if this is you, you are not someone here waiting for your ex to come back. It could be your ex-husband, ex-wife right here, ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend. Then kung hindi mo yun hinihintay, then this reading is not for you. Then pwede kang wag nang patuloy na manood nito. But if this is you, you hold on to your faith, you hold on to that hope kahit na sobrang nipis na ng hope na yon and you feel like you're running out of time, you feel like you're losing your faith, you feel like you've already lost your chance to be with your ex-person once again, then this could be your reading because the moment na pinili mong wag bumitaw dito sa situation na to, igagrant ni universe, no, na makabalik itong tao na to sa buhay mo. Someone here is coming back home with a celebration of forgiveness. Someone here is being welcomed, no, by you guys, no, at kung may mga anak man kayo, no, ng inyong family. At nakikita ko ulit ang pagsasama ninyong dalawa with this spiritual connection, lovers card energy. With this Four of Coins energy, hindi ka bumitaw kahit na parang napakadami rin ditong parang, alam mo yon, mga outside na mga situations kung saan pwedeng may mga nagpipigil, may mga pressures, may mga nangingialam, may mga bagay na, alam mo yon, pumapagitna at sumisingit sa inyong koneksyon, no? Pero nakikita ko na itong tao na to ay makababalik sa buhay mo. Yung parang inakala mo, no, na hindi na siya makakabalik, pero makakabalik pa pala siya. Okay? The person who once got lost is now finding his or her way back home to you. So nakita ko dito that even though this is you, it's a struggle with the Eight of Swords energy to hold on to this wish right here. But definitely, this wish is being locked by this Three of Cups energy. It's a celebration here. You will celebrate right here. But I'm gonna tell you the truth. Okay? Your family members, not all of them will be happy na magkakabalikan kayo. Not all of your friends, no, will be happy na magkakabalikan kayo. Okay? Meron kang mga soul tribe or community ditong hindi sang-ayon, no, sa inyo ritong pagbabalik sa isa't isa or pakikipagbalikan sa inyong ex. But this is you. You will feel so grateful because this is what you want. Wala na akong pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba with the Strength card energy, Five of Cups right here. I don't care, ano man ang sabihin ng aking mga kaibigan, ng pamilya ko, basta ito ako nagpapasalamat. Ito yung bagay na inakala kong hindi ko na makukuha. Ito yung mga parang mga nare-reminisce mo rito, no, na mga parang mga bagay no, na sana ay patuloy niyo pa rin pinaplano at ginagawa. So nakikita ko dito that you still long for this rekindle of love, for this reconnection, for this starting all over again with this person here. And you are also grateful for yourself of not giving up. No? So with this Four of Cups in reverse, it's an opportunity na parang nagpapasalamat ka na buti na lang hindi ako tumigil sa pag-asa na ito ay mangyayari pa and then boom, wala, no? Ito ay mangyayari, no? So nakikita natin dito that this is something here na parang himala for you guys, no? So hindi ko alam mo, pwede kasing matindi yung naging pinagdaanan ninyong dalawa to the point na parang sumagi sa isipan ninyo na baka wala na, like yung chance is from 1 to 100, tas yung lowest is 1, possible na nandun ka sa edge ng 1, no? So nakikita ko dito that your hope for this going back sa arms ng isa't isa, no, is definitely, you know, parang milagro na lang ganun, no? But universe right here, no, is giving you this another chance, no, to be with this person once again and to start all over again. okay? So, I must say, this person here, may mga natutunan siya sa kanyang life, no? During your disconnection or during your separation. May mga kaibigan siya rito na may mga matitinuri naman siya mga kaibigan na nagpa-realize sa kanya ng mga bagay-bagay, no? Alam mo yung person mo, hindi naman siya slow, pero I think siya yung klase ng energy na medyo parang hindi niya kaya yung mag-multitask, lalo na yung mag-isip ng sabay-sabay, 'no? Hindi ko sinasabi na parang kailangan niya ng pressure at all, pero parang naguguluhan siya kapagka kunwari meron siyang hina-handle na more than two multiple things, if you know what I mean. So, nakita ko dito that your person right here, may mga nakatulong sa kanya, could be his or her blended family, puwede rin naman na kanya ritong biological family or even his or her best friends or closest people sa kanyang life, 'no? At yun yung parang nakatulong sa kanya, 'no, to overcome all of his or her weaknesses kasi medyo weak yung person mo in terms of mental and also at the same time emotional din siya, 'no? Paminsan-minsan may pagka-sensitive and at the same time parang ayaw niya yung energy na, nag-iisip, 'no, pero lagi siya or madalas confused, 'no? Especially sa mga nakaraang mga buwan. Kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, 'no, this is you. Willing ka 'no, to forgive and forget and magsimula ulit 'no. So, nakita ko dito na parang ito yung bagay na parang maiiyak ka sa tuwa kasi parang never mo in-expect na kokontakin ka pa niya, never mo in-expect na icha-chat ka pa niya, na ite-text ka pa niya, na tatawagan ka niya, na icha-chat ka niya, ivi-video call 'no, i-email, no matter what form or shape ng communication, you never thought that this person here will contact you again like ever, no? Like it's one full shot of miracle na lang, no? Kung mangyari man yon. But the universe will grant here your wish, no? So, nakikita ko rito that this is you, para ka ritong, alam mo yon, no? Pag binuksan mo rito, alam mo yung prodigal son, no? Pag binuksan mo yung pintuan, no? Nakita mo siya at sasalubungin mo siya rito, no? Pakakainin mo siya rito, no? At alam mo yon, ano man yung sasabihin niya, pakikinggan mo. It is because this is you, hindi na importante kung ano yung nangyari, kung ano yung nakaraan, no? But you are someone here who is willing to forgive this person, hug him or her back into your life, and, you know, to begin or to renew whatever it is that you once established, no? At mas magke-create kayo ng mas matibay na rapport or parang alam mo yun, no, kasing tibay ng Great Wall of China, no, na dingding ng inyong relationship. A legacy, a foundation with the Ace of Pentacles energy. Universe will help you, will guide you, Wheel of Fortune right here. Nakita ko dito that the universe will put a healthy, okay, na pagsasama sa inyo this time. The universe will provide, no, ang pangailangan ng inyong family or pagsisimula na gumawa ng home kung hindi man kayo kasal pa. So, I'm seeing love, I'm seeing passion right here, more coming from your person. I'm seeing also opportunity para makatulong sa inyong gastusin everyday. Nakita ko rin dito, no, yung inyong healthy na lifestyle together, no, at may mga pagsasaluhan kayong mga i-cherish na mga little pleasures or little moments like mga little dates at mga parang mga moments kung saan, alam niyo yon, no, only couple will understand, no. So, maraming clingy days kahit hindi naman cold weather. Yan, no. So, kasi naman yung mga energies na nakukuha ko dito, ulitin ko lang, kung hindi po kayo abangers sa inyong ex at hindi niyo po talaga as in gustong hintayin yung ex ninyo, then yung reading na ito ay definitely hindi para sa'yo. But if this is you, you still love your person here, you still hold on to that belief na babalik siya, no? Eto, minsang naligaw at magbabalik na rito, no? So, hindi ko nakita ano ba talaga yung pinakarason kung ba't siya rito lumisan, umalis sa inyong koneksyon at nagkaroon ng separasyon. Pero itong tao na 'to 'no, is magbabalik bilang parang, na-refresh 'no, or parang na-cleanse yung kaniyang energy. This person here is no longer the same person you used to connect with in the past. Not anymore the immature one, not anymore that someone who neglected you. you know? So, hindi ka na nito, when we say neglect, no, pinabayaan, no? So, hindi ka na nito pababayaan mga babes. At nakikita ko rito na magiging matapang na siya this time. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, parang mahina loob niya, no? Tsaka parang dati mabilis siya maapektuhan ng mga sabi-sabi lang, no? Kahit hindi naman totoo, may mga ganyan siyang um, mga nangyayari sa kanya before, no? Pero ngayon, this person here is someone na meron na siya ritong, nagsustud na siya sa kanyang sarili ritong understanding. And at the same time, pina-follow or sinusunod niya na yung kanyang intuition in everything na gusto niya ritong mangyari. Ano? So, I think this is you. You will be in tears of joy after seeing this person right here, and definitely magkakabalikan kayo dito just like what you want, no? Just like what you're wishing upon a star, Nine of Cups energy. So, yeah, yan mga babes, no? For the initials, I'm seeing right here, letter P, letter S, letter A, and letter F. So, yan mga babes, so maaaring yan ay initials ninyo. Pero may pahabol pa tayo dito na numero. Possible rin, no, na year 2027 is somewhat significant sa inyong dalawa, no? Or if not, maybe that's a specific clue for someone or isa sa mga or few mga viewers na watching ngayon. Okay, so yung mga babes, might be age rin yan, kaya naman just take only what resonates. Again, I'm Yuriana Umi. Maraming thank you everyone. Sarang heyo. Please do check out other channel if you're interested. Love and light. Annyeong!